Hello, this is Edtc. For this presentation, I will be talking about emerging cutting-edge technology in the classroom, specifically robots as assistive technology. Robots have infiltrated the human world. Some are as tiny as a single grain of rice, while others are larger than a barn. Some have faces and bodies, and others do not. So what is a robot? ISO defines a robot as an automatically controlled, reprogrammable, multi-purpose, manipulated, programmable, and 3 or more axes, which may be either fixed in place or mobile. Robots are increasingly being used to teach students in a classroom for a number of subjects across science, math, and language. Smaller robots are usually used to teach robotics or computer science because they can be physically manipulated, and humanoid robots are often used for social interactions. The role of robotics is emerging in many areas, and their use as assistive technology will only increase in years to come. There are many settings where robotic devices are now being used, but I will focus on one in particular for this presentation: the school. Because of their lack of facial expressions and use of plain speech, robots have been successful in helping autistic students focus longer, improve verbal communication and social interactions, and just learn better. Robots also offer telepresence for students who are either hospitalized or homebound due to injury, disability, or disease. There are several robotic systems on the market that have assistive technology functions, but in this presentation I will focus on one: Vigo. Vigo enables the student to replicate themselves in a distant location and have the freedom to move around the classroom as if they were physically there. With Vigo, students can see, hear, talk, interact, and go anywhere. It is useful for students who can't physically go to school due to a medical condition, and it's operated in real time by the students so they feel empowered with their independence. Vigo enables students to receive the same instruction as their peers in real time, move around in between classrooms independently, socialize with friends in the hallways and at lunch, and participate in a full school day with their classmates as if they were physically there. Also, Vigo is battery powered and can run up to a full day between charges. Vigo is an all-in-one solution that includes everything a student needs to establish their physical presence in a school. For a student to connect to their Vigo robot at their school, all that is required is a special software application on a computer and an internet connection. The robot is 100% remote controlled by the student and is monitored by a cloud computing network.